Problem 2. Two classes are going on a field trip. The school only has one bus that's big enough to hold one class. So as the bus takes one class, the other one has to walk. And then the bus turns around to pick the walking class up. The two classes walk 4 kilometers per hour. When the bus is carrying a class, its speed is 40 kilometers per hour. But when the bus is not carrying a class, its speed is 50 kilometers per hour. So that's something different from the first problem. If the two classes want to be at their destination in the shortest time possible, then what fraction of the total distance does the first class walk? So the sketch for this problem is going to be a little different than the first. These two lines right here are going to be, so here's 1, here's 2, are going to be the two ends of this entire journey. So this is point A, and this is point, okay, let's not create points first though. So I'm first going to create what this entire thing would look like. Just to make this seem a bit more sense, I'm gonna make this time the dotted line be representing walking. And the straight line is going to be representing on the bus. Okay, so let's get started. So first class 1 is picked up on the bus, comes here, and then walks the rest of the way. So then 2 is walking, and then is picked up on the bus for the rest of the way. In this section, when the bus is turning around to come to pick up 2 is interesting because this time the speed is different. So in order to show that it's faster, right, because now it's 50 kilometers per hour, it's not carrying any classes on it, I'm doing double lines to show that I'm making it double lined to show that it's faster. So now I'm going to call this, and I'm going to create an arrow like this, just so we can make our ratios be easier to set later on. So I'm going to call this point A, this point B, this point C, this point D, and this point E. So we can first set AB as it, so we can first let AB be equal to 1 unit and let AD be equal to 10 units according to the ratios that we are given from in the problem. And that gives us BD is equal to 9 units, right? You subtract 1 from 10, you get 9 units left. Meaning that BC is equal to 9 over 4 plus 50 times 4, which is equal to 2/3. So our final answer is 2/3. The amount that class A walked was 2/3 of the entire process.